Hello everyone. Today I will explain the next arithmetic operator, that is remainder. For basically it's for modulus operator used to calculate the remainder of two numbers. Okay, so let's start. Click on new file, and again first I will take inputs and then I will calculate. So num1 equals to input. I'm giving my message. Here I have not written any single quote or double quote, so it will give me an error. So in this particular method I'm just putting a single quote. In Python, for the string you can use either a single quote or double quote. It's your choice. It's about both. So here I have taken input by using input function, but this input is in string format and I want to calculate the remainder. So I have to convert this input into an integer or float format. That is your choice, but I want to take the input in integer format. So I'm converting this whole input into an integer format. Now I'm copying this message for the second number, and here I will paste, and now I will do some changes so that I'll get the correct output. Here I'm not taking any other variable, I'm directly calculating. In the print I'm giving a message. Here I'm using double quotes, remainder. With the help of this operator you can get the remainder. Now I'm saving this file, save, give the name, and the extension is automatically that is py or pyw. Either you can give the extension, because I'm saving in the Python folder, so it will automatically take. Save as type is Python. So now I'm running this code. Here is the answer. So if I'm dividing 56 by the second number is 3, then the remainder will be 2, because 5 plus 6 is 11 and that is not divisible by 3 according to the divisibility rule of 3. So 5 plus 4, 54, that is 9, that is divisible by 3. So we get in 2 in the remainder. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.